Are you involved in exporting goods? There are two ways by which you can do the same, with payment of tax and without payment of tax. In this video, we will be discussing about export with payment of tax. In export with payment of tax, you end up paying IGST amount during the time of exports, and GST refund of the same you get into your bank account. But there are various challenges you might face. Let's discuss what issues you might face while opting for this way. First, filing of GSTR 1 with accurate data of exports in table 6A with correct shipping bill details, and filing GSTR 3B. After filing these returns, there is no need to file any separate refund application for this. Number 2, then the GST portal will share your data with ICEGATE portal. Then the customs will validate the data that you have filed in GST returns and then process the refund. So easy, right? But what if issues like you forgetting to fill any of the shipping bill details in a particular form, which will lead to the situation like mismatch of shipping bill details, like amount mismatch, invoice number mismatch, date mismatch, and technical errors like EGM details not matching, or issues occur in transferring the data from GST portal to ICEGATE portal. Then with My GST Refund, you can quickly track these issues. Welcome to My GST Refund platform. Go to mygstrefund.com, click on login, enter your login details if you are an existing user, or register if you are a new user. Go to the setup option and add business details. Go to the GST refund calculator, choose GSTIN, select export with payment of tax as refund type, select time period. Fill in your ICEGATE user ID and password and then click on calculate. In just 2 minutes, you will be able to get your report using My GST Refund platform. You can also download the report and check details of error in shipping bills and their processing status. Go to My GST Refund platform and save your time, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.